All right, this is the Bridgeport 618 Easy Surf 3-axis programmable surface grinder.
Yeah, want to do a walk around here, a quick show. She's got the cabinets open already, so I'll start with maybe documentation off to the side. We got several books. I think I got one other one, schematics, operator programming. This is all good. Frequency drive is down low, the ball there, that's for the spindle. And the main board is inside there with the control transformers. We're powered up right now, it's just hydraulics are off. So you won't see anything on display. That'll turn on whenever I start up hydraulics. And coming around, of course the servo's in back here, and spindle motor, and down low is the hydraulic power pack. And after you're done there, you've got the vertical servo, which on this one is Y, I believe. And then coming down low here is the floppy drive area, so that's right here. And on this side are mainly the servo drives here and the board. Main board on the left and the two servo drives down low. It's all pretty clean there. So, yeah, I'll just go right into the program I think I've got on here, at least I did. I'm going to power up right now hydraulics, and I'm going to turn on spindle, because I've got to have that for my program anyhow. And we can play with the spindle a little bit and raise it up and down. You already got a shot of that, so hydraulics up. And in fact, maybe we could pull that cover off before I even start the spindle. And it'll show it here, but let me get this away. You can kind of see, you can't really hear it turning, so maybe you can see it turning. It actually is pretty quiet, so it's off now. I'm going to turn it on. I've got it programmed at 3,000 RPM, which is about 40 hertz on the frequency drive, I believe. And I've got the speed control here. I'm way down, so just looking at the drive, I'm at 50 hertz right now, which is about 3,000. There's 4,000, it's hard to see the difference, and there's 5,000 right there, just about 4950, 5100 under the S right there. So on that, on the drive, I'm overclocking it, that's at 83 hertz. So if you want to take a quick look at the window, see the 83.16 HZ. So I'm going to dial it down as long as it's there. That time's about 3,000, 3,500. That's like close to, that's 53 hertz. That's right, you know, if it's a 60 hertz motor, that's about 100%, but you can put these wherever you want them. So the spindle's on, we're spinning, we're good. It needs that to go into an event mode. I'm going to go into number 2, which is do event. And I've got do event on there. I've got a plunge cycle on here with crazy numbers. I'm going down a couple of inches, back and forth on Z a couple inches, and I'm diving in 700 thousandths just for the sake of the video here. So we're really flying along here, but it shows the operational aspects of the machine. So I'm going to page through it, enter that program again. There we go. And I've got a two reciprocating dwell at the end of each plunge cut. You'll see that on there too. So I'm going to hit start here, and we should get going. It's going to go back to its home position. I'm not going to play with the table controls yet. That's hydraulic here. They're about midstream, I think. You kind of see what Y is doing there, full out. There's my 2 strokes for the dwell, goes back up, and of course Z comes in. And I can slow that down off the feed now, watch. I'm going to kind of quiet this thing down a little bit. See how that slows down? So that's all on the feed control here. That's just, you can go from 5% to 150%. Dwell, back up then. Let's see, it's real slow now. And that'll be slower now when it gets to the top. That'll move easy. There's the in feed. And now I'm going to speed it back up again just to fly through the program. We're really cranking now. I'm going to -2 inches on Z. And I think I'm at +1 on Y, home position. So there's one more pass up after this on Z. That gives you an idea of what this thing can do. I'm really moving now. 2 recips on the dwell. Back up, 1 more feed, and we'll be at 2 if you're looking at the screen. This is my last pass on the screen right here. 2. Y is going to do its last cut. It's going to dwell, go back up, and then pull back. You'll see it park itself right now. We're finishing up. Going home. Both axes go back, park, and it bumps a little bit harder. I have to set that up better, but you get the idea anyhow. So that all works pretty good. You want to do one more like that, Pete, or?
Sure.
Yeah. Julie Vance, I think we could just go like that in the 9. Yeah. And go back down. I'm just going to enter everything. I like that program. And start. So, again, we're at feed is 100%. Yeah. And then some. There we go. 100. That's 100. Actually, it's 100% on the screen. 101. So my feed is at 100% right here, so that's normal right there. Just the amount I'm taking is 0.700, 700, damn near an inch. So, about 3 more passes and we're done here. I think maybe to slow this down now, you kind of see that a little bit. Let me back off on the feed before we finish up here. I can slow down one side at a time. Yeah, that's really flying it down there, so I guess, yeah, you can right about, yeah, that's really slow. And I don't know where it goes fast end. It's on the fast end. Let's open it up a little bit. That's pretty quick there. Yeah, that's really moving. So that all works pretty good hydraulically. Home. Stop. Yeah, I'm really flying now, so we're hitting that stop right there. So that's all good there. And so I think in jog, we've got Z. I can turn off the spindle right here. Jog Z, which is in and out. That's all floating now, so that's really nice there. That screw works really good. We're moving on the screen too, you probably can't see it. But this thing just floats nice and easy right now off the hand wheel, see? And of course Y always works off the down feed. You won't see it either, but if you watch me on this, that's just, that handle's still floating, it's moving. Here's Y, just off the hand wheel. And same thing, if I pick up the feed, the Y is moving a lot faster. If I dial it way down, I can move it real slow, 1/10 at a time. Right off the Y. Or I can just come over here and use the buttons, which is we're on Z, jog Z. And if you watch Z, change X is home too far. Let's get out of that and be back up here. I think I can still do it. Jog X, jog Y. Okay, let's try Y. No, it's giving me an error. It doesn't want me to do that in this position. I think if I was to bring it on over, oh, here's the manual anyhow, we can do this. Pull that back out, and this is back, and that all works. Hole works, this works, spindle speed we had, oh, magnet maybe, and that would be all this here. We're off now. The Walker chuck, I'll go to variable at 30%. That's pretty good. And 50, I think this is all good. Yeah, 90. Let's just go full out, full. Yeah, that's pretty tight. And demag, huh? Release. Let's see. Yep. It's pretty good. Takes about 20 seconds there. Almost got it. And that's done. That's pretty much it right there. Like I said, I pretty much got everything, and it won't give me jog in this mode, and I don't know, I'd have to figure out what I'm doing wrong program-wise. That's why I wanted to run the program first, so.
That's all right.
Yeah, we're looking good though.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, sure.